Well, we're on another day. It's Saturday now. I think I last filmed on Thursday. Got the car home, took it to the car wash, did the bare minimum, kind of got some of the mud off, got some of the grease out of the engine bay. Really nothing too exciting happened. It's still doing the same thing. It doesn't like to start without just a hit of ether. And other than that, it's alright. I took it for a little bit of a longer drive yesterday. Decided that maybe the transmission's not in the greatest of shape. I haven't completely checked the fluid yet, so it may just be a little bit low, but it shifts a little bit weird. But, 263,000 miles, that's not a surprise. Brakes are telling me they need some love. They squeal a little bit, and they are kind of soft. So I'm going to have to check out brakes. I may do that today. But I think first order of business is I am going to just start cleaning. This thing is disgusting. I should have done this where I bought it because there was a dumpster there. So I maybe have to take some of this crap back out there to the dumpster. So I'm going to put you on time lapse and we're going to just start cleaning. All right, we got the left side barn door open. Had to just get in here with a pry tool and wedge the latch up. I guess the handle's just not pulling on the latch. Yeah, it's just not getting enough pull on that thing, so. That's just not moving enough, so I just got in and pried it up. So anyways, it's open now. Give me a little more access to get all this junk out. I don't know why I'm starting in the back. I don't need to really do anything back here, but it felt like the right place to start, so we'll go with it. Okay, it's later in the evening now. I quit filming because I had to go into work for a few minutes, got called in. Part of the front brakes just now. I got sick of cleaning, so I switched over to brakes. They look good, plenty of pad, rotors aren't grooved up too bad. But in the back, look at how much dust. Oh my gosh. Just filthy, filthy, filthy. Zoom me out a little bit. This thing's caked. This rear pad is just chewed up. It's gone. Front one looks fine. I'm guessing it wasn't braking proportionally, and just chewed up that pad as a result. The drums don't feel too bad. They're a little bit wavy, but they're not really grooved, so I may reuse them. In fact, I probably will because I'm on a pretty tight budget. Haven't broken open the other side yet. I'm guessing it's going to be about the same. either way, the back brakes are going to need done. So that's got to go on the agenda. And I hate doing drum brakes, so maybe I'll find a disc brake conversion kit. What rear axle do I have? I don't even know off the top of my head what axle this is. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chevy 10 bolt. That's what I thought. It's a little half-ton axle. So I guess we'll rip that one down now and see how bad it is and see what we think. Alright, we're on the driver's side now. This one's pretty full of crap too, but the pads still have some bite left in them. But I mean, you do one side, you do the other with these, so I think we'll get a whole rebuild kit for that. I'm guessing that's got a seized cylinder on the other side, forcing it in. Hoping it's not like a bad other component, the brake system proportioning valve or something. Yeah, I'm guessing that's why we've got no brakes, or bad brakes is the other side. I think that's all for today. I'm gonna be picking away at this. It's not urgent, it's just a toy. So, trying to stay on a budget. I'll try to keep track of how much I'm spending, just to kind of give you an idea of what you can do on a cheap little budget with some piece of garbage like this. Suburban was $250. I spent $100 on a battery, $112 with the core charge, I guess, and a couple of chemicals and a few other things like that. I probably spent $136. I think that's what it was right when I got it. Spent like $15 on some various fluids later, starter fluid. Paid $4 today for some fuses. Registration was $82. Getting the title put in my name, I think cost me $30. It wasn't much. Insurance, I'm paying $79 a month. That's just liability and roadside coverage like towing, as well as uninsured motorists. So if I get hit, I don't have to pay my medical bills and whatever. So keeping it cheap, trying to just let it be a toy and drive it around here and there. Thanks for watching.